Alright. Well, I am Raheem Little, and this is my partner, Henry Gutierrez, and we built an automated guided vehicle. Most people will be like, what is an AGV? Well, an AGV is a electronic robot in a vehicle form, and it's all electronical. And at the finish, when it's completed, it will be helping students and faculty through the halls and directing them to classrooms. The major components of it is a Arduino Uno. That's a microcontroller. The Sabertooth 225 amp, which is the motor driver, which drives the motors. 7400 NAND gate, 7432 OR gate, 8 sensors, 24 volt magnetic DC motors, 2 12 volt batteries, the chassis for the frame of the vehicle, and 3 toggle switches, power, ground, data distribution block, and Arduino software. The Arduino controls the speed of which the motors will turn and receives the inputs and outputs, and basically controls the function of the AGV. And you have to have the Arduino software to be able to program it, and the input voltage is 12 volts, and you get 20 milliamps per pin. The Sabertooth drives the motors. It receives the signal from the Arduino pins. And S1, S2 are the pins that control the direction of which the Sabertooth will direct the motors, and they're connected to the 24 volt. Well, 24 volts from the 12 volt batteries being in series. We have 8 sensors. They're infrared, and they read normally high. We have 8, 4 in the front, 4 in the back, and it's connected to the 5 volt terminals. The outputs from the sensors are all tied to a NAND gate, since they read normally high. And if one of them goes low, then it will go to the OR gate, which you can go to. And from the OR gate, it goes to the pin 8 of the Arduino, which will send a pulse that's supposed to stop it. And this is like an overview of it. You can see the motors are connected to the back side of the driver, and the power supply in the middle, and the pins from the Arduinos, and how the 8 sensors are connected to the NAND gate and goes to the OR gate and goes to the terminal.
Alright, this is the program for the Arduino. The first part right here is just declaring all the switches and the sensors. Down here is the actual program, which we used the if and else statements on the C+ for the forward. The reverse is the same as the switch 1. We just had to change the how much the pulse is to change the direction for the motors. And switch 3 is for we had a sample program that makes it rock back and forth. And this is the same, still the sample program. That's it.